Hi, this is Debonik. In this lab, we are observing active filters using op-amps. So, if you take a look at our circuit, we have a bandpass filter, which is basically a low-pass filter cascaded with a high-pass filter. So, if we first look at the low-pass section of our circuit, in a low-pass filter, we have a resistor connected to the inverting input of the op-amp, and then also to the input we have a capacitor and another resistor connected in parallel. If we look at the high-pass filter, the difference is that the capacitor is connected in series with the resistor which connects to the input, as well as another resistor connecting the input of the op-amp to the output of the op-amp. From the waveform generator, we have an input voltage of 5 volts, which if you look over here, we have positive 5 volts here, which connects to the positive inputs of the op-amp, and we have negative 5 volts connected to the negative voltage inputs of the op-amp. We also have our signal, which comes from here. So this wire connects to our signal, and our input signal starts at our low-pass filter, which then also we have it connecting back to ground. So this is the network sweep of our low-pass filter. As you can see, as with any other low-pass filter, high frequencies are attenuated. So if you look at the phase shift, this is the phase shift. So basically, it starts at about 180 and starts to decrease as we increase the frequency. The maximum gain is about 23.47 decibels, and the negative 3 dB frequency happens here, which is about 55 kilohertz. This is the network sweep of our high-pass filter. So just ignoring the cursor, we can see that low frequencies are attenuated, as with any other high-pass filter. The maximum gain happens here, which is about 8.46 decibels, and the negative 3 dB frequency happens at a low frequency of about 5 hertz. Also, the phase starts out at around negative 100 or so, and then increases to about 180 and then starts decreasing again. Finally, we have the bandpass filter, which is the cascaded low-pass and high-pass filter. As you can see, the phase shift starts around positive 100 and then decreases as you increase the frequency. And our negative 3 dB frequency occurs at a low frequency of about 3 hertz.